Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info. Today I do have the OnePlus 15 and I'm going to explain the AI social media post generator. So actually, this is very easy. First open settings and scroll down to the AI. Tap AI Writer. Enable this first option, such as AI Writer for social media post. Generate captions for your social media post based on the scene. So, at first, we need to have it enabled, and now we can go to the notes. Notes are exactly here. Let's open NewNode. And now, as you can see, we are not in the social media application, but we can enable the AI by tapping on this button right here. Here, tap Write Posts, Social Media or Reviews, enter redeem or adjustment request. So let's, for example, tap Generate. It will scan the scene, but as you can see here, we have no. And now, here, as you can see, we have something that is based on our daily life and what's happening right now. Just chilling, waiting to jot down some amazing ideas. My battery is at 86%, so plenty of juice for creativity. What should I capture first? Hashtag notes. We can set, for example, for more casual. Ever feel like you need a fresh start? Sometimes a blank page is all something. This is based, as you can see, on the background. We can, for example, do the artistic. My digital canvas awaits. The clock's gentle whisper at 17:41 reminds me to capture feeling thoughts. With a tap, I open a fresh page, ready to paint ideas with words. Hashtag digital notes. That's how it works actually, and you can just tap insert to insert it. And here we are in the notes, but you can insert, for example, on X, like the formerly Twitter, some Instagram messages, Instagram, everywhere actually where it's just possible to insert the note. And that's how you use it actually. As you can see, here we do have the style, for example, reviews, social media, etc. Here we can enter a name, for example, lazy evening. Here we have this artistic one. Let me just set it, for example, for standard one, so that I can easily read it to you. As it winds down, my digital canvas is ready for me. At 17:41, the clock something nudges me to jot down. As I can see, this is taken from here, so that's why it's almost the same. But you can tap adjust right here. Tap, for example, reviews, witty, length, less, emojis, more, generate. And now it will base on the same screen thing, but yeah. That's how it works actually. And you can tap replace and this will be replaced. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.